How's it, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, a triple welcome to you. So guys, by now we've all heard the sad news of the passing of Mr. Thierry Mugler, who is of course one of my favorite designers, and I absolutely adore his perfumes. And I thought in honor of him, we're gonna go through my Mugler collection and just go through them one by one, tell you what I think about them. Maybe at the end I'll just mention the ones that I still want to add to my collection as well. So without further ado, let's get into them. Number one is of course Alien. Alien is very infamous. Everybody knows Alien. When somebody's wearing Alien, you would instantly know that they're wearing it. This is jasmine, amber, woody notes, beautiful fragrance. All of his fragrances is beast mode and they last extremely long, which is a good thing. Also, the bottles is so beautiful and interesting to me. It just speaks to, you know, what type of person, designer he was. This was released under the Mugler name, not the Thierry Mugler name. So I have that version when L'Oreal took over the house. But still beautiful, love Alien. Then we have Womanity. Womanity is a very different fragrance. This is more of a warmer weather fragrance as opposed to Alien. I love Womanity. I think it's just such a unique fragrance. You have the fig leaf, and you have the caviar in there. So it's like a salty, sweet type of fragrance. The bottle is stunning to me. And I love the color of this perfume. It has like a very light pinkish type of color. My husband adores this fragrance on me, and I absolutely, enjoy wearing this one. The next one we're going to talk about is Angel EDT, and this is the 2011 edition. I actually prefer this bottle. I think this bottle is a little bit more user friendly than the actual star, and I also love the aesthetic of this bottle more. This EDT is a little bit more wearable and lighter than the EDP. The EDP, I couldn't handle that one back in when it was released. I don't know about the new formulations, but that one I couldn't handle. It gave me a headache. But this one is stunning. It gives me the option of wearing Angel without getting a headache. And colder weather fragrance performs absolutely beautiful in the colder weather. Then we have my favorite out of the bunch. This is Aura. Beautiful bottle, green heart. This is a green fragrance, woody notes, kind of a medicinal tone, wet forest, fairy-like fragrance, very intoxicating, mysterious. It reminds me a lot of Decadence of Marc Jacobs. It's not the same fragrance, but it's definitely in the same family. And I have realized that I am a huge fan of green fragrances. If not, that probably is my favorite type of fragrance, perfumes, green perfumes. So yeah, I absolutely enjoy this one, and I love the bottle, even though it's not user friendly, but it's still a stunning bottle. Next one we're going to talk about is this one, and this is Alien Essence Absolue, which is unfortunately discontinued. This was released still under the Thierry Mugler name. And this is Alien, but with added incense and vanilla. So it has like a more of an oriental vibe to it, which I adore. And I actually prefer this one more than the original Alien. So sometimes I will spray the original Alien and I'll add one spritz of this one just to get the feeling of the Essence Absolute, because I have a 30 ml bottle and I need to use it very sparingly since it's discontinued. The last one that I have in my collection is this one, and this is Mirroir de Majestes. I'm hoping that I'm pronouncing that correctly. This I actually had a sample of first and I hated it. But then I tried it in colder weather and I fell in love with it. This is a very rich, animalic, leathery, musky type of fragrance. And guys, I hate musk. I don't like musk fragrances, but some way this is just working beautifully in this fragrance. There's no musks listed in the notes, but I don't know, I still get that it has type of a skanky vibe to it, but it's beautiful in the cold weather. And yeah, I'm enjoying this one very, very much, and I can't wait for winter to come along so that I can start using it again. Yeah, so those are the ones that I currently have in my Mugler collection. The one that I would like to add is Angel Muse, which I also have a sample of, and I adore the Nutella hazelnutty note in that one. I actually ordered it and it got lost in the post, so yeah, I had kind of a bad experience with that, but it will not deter me. I'm going to order it again because I really want to add it to my Mugler collection, and then hopefully I will be done with Mugler. Yeah, so guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.